So let's see, we run this program. So now stand up. Okay.
Add the following 3 steps.
I'm trying to do this on my phone.
Yeah, what you say is
have to say them so the kids can't work ahead.
Good idea.
I do get around that. I save it.
Well, let's see. Let's try and have it.
Do you have tables in your class?
Try to have that.
Some classrooms do.
Get it to dance a little bit.
The summer institute training at UC Davis, I would say far exceeded my expectations. It was a lot of work, but just amazingly interesting, and I can't wait to use all the stuff I've learned in my classroom this year, and I want an army of Mobots to go. It was really good. The instruction was great. The manuals that you gave us were really easy to follow, so I'm super excited. Surprising myself that you can teach an old dog new tricks and having no programming experience whatsoever. Yeah, I feel like I can actually tackle this and present it to my students so that they can learn as well. There's a lot of plans, but I'm excited. First of all, I have an engineering class. I'm excited to actually give them some C programming and then also use the Mobots. But I didn't realize that I could use them for other areas in the curriculum, so I'm planning on using them as well in my honors and AP physics classes for demonstrations of some really difficult topics because they're so visual. And so user-friendly, I think they'll love it.
I think the best thing about the training for me was working with different people in different groups, because it's kind of parallel to what we asked the kids to do, where you partner them in different ways for different tasks. And I was really able to see different ways of bringing the content to students effectively. For the example that comes to mind is my partner today was like sort of talking through the program as if he were the computer, going step by step. And the process of listening to him go through the program and making sure that he's on track helped both of us understand better. So that was my most positive experience. So different partners processing in different ways.
Cool.
With my algebra kids, I'm really looking forward to bringing to vision and to their experience different algebraic concepts, so that it's not just something on a piece of paper anymore, but they can see the mathematical relationships and they can change the math themselves. They can make different quadratics and really understand what's changing in an equation when the independent variable changes.
I teach math, and the math in the science I was teaching was way too hard. So I really like the fact that this is very applicable to what we actually teach in 8th grade and high school.
Next year I'll be teaching 8th grade programming, so obviously I'm going to be teaching the same curriculum that you guys have been teaching us. But also to supplement the algebra teachers and the science teachers, I taught 8th grade science last year, and a lot of the standards in 8th grade science, like graphing, position time graphs, analyzing motion of vehicles, all the density equations, speed equals distance over time, acceleration, all of those can easily be supported by writing programs to help kind of solidify these formulas in the kids' minds. So I won't be teaching 8th grade next year, but whoever is the 8th grade teacher, I'm definitely going to be using these concepts in 8th grade engineering to help supplement the science teacher.